Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for all the aspiring home cooks out there. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, having the right tools in your kitchen can make all the difference in your culinary adventures. In this video, we'll be sharing the top 10 essential tools every home cook needs in their kitchen. So, let's dive right in. Number 1. Chef's Knife. Our first essential tool is the chef's knife, often referred to as the workhorse of the kitchen. This versatile knife is perfect for chopping, dicing, slicing, and mincing a wide range of ingredients. Look for a knife with a comfortable grip and a sharp, sturdy blade that will make your prep work a breeze. Number 2. Cutting board. Next up, we have the cutting board. A good quality cutting board provides a stable surface for all your chopping, slicing, and dicing needs. When choosing a cutting board, opt for one made of wood or plastic. Wood boards are sturdy and have natural antimicrobial properties, while plastic boards are durable, easy to clean, and can be color-coded for different types of ingredients. Ensure the cutting board is large enough to comfortably accommodate your ingredients and has a non-slip surface to prevent accidents. Having a reliable cutting board in your kitchen will make your prep work efficient and help protect your countertops from knife damage. Number 3. NonStick Fry Pan. No kitchen is complete without a non-stick fry pan. Its versatility and convenience make it an essential item in the kitchen. Whether you're frying eggs, sautéing vegetables, or searing meats, a non-stick fry pan ensures that your food doesn't stick and allows for easy flipping and turning. When choosing a non-stick fry pan, look for one with a durable non-stick coating that can withstand high temperatures without peeling or scratching. A pan with a heat-resistant handle is also important for safe and convenient cooking. Consider the size of the fry pan based on your cooking needs, but having a few different sizes is useful for various recipes. Number 4. Saucepan. A saucepan is an essential tool that no kitchen should be without. It's perfect for boiling water, making sauces, and cooking small portions of food. When selecting a saucepan, opt for one with a thick and heavy bottom. This ensures even heat distribution and helps prevent burning or hot spots. Additionally, choose a saucepan with a lid as it helps trap heat and accelerates the cooking process. The size of the saucepan will depend on your cooking needs, but having a variety of sizes can be beneficial for different recipes. Look for a saucepan with a sturdy handle that stays cool to the touch, providing a comfortable and secure grip. Stainless steel or non-reactive materials are excellent choices for saucepans as they are durable and easy to clean. With a reliable saucepan in your kitchen, you'll be able to whip up delicious sauces, boil pasta, and cook small batches of your favorite dishes with ease. Number 5. Baking sheet. For all the baking enthusiasts out there, a baking sheet is indispensable. Whether you're baking cookies, roasting vegetables, or preparing a sheet pan dinner, a reliable baking sheet is a must-have. Look for a sturdy, rimmed baking sheet that can withstand high temperatures without warping. A rimmed baking sheet is essential as it prevents juices and oils from spilling over, keeping your oven clean. Opt for a baking sheet with a non-stick coating for easy food release and effortless cleanup. It's also important to choose a baking sheet with even heat distribution to ensure your baked goods cook uniformly. Additionally, consider the size of the baking sheet, ensuring it fits comfortably in your oven. Number 6. Mixing bowls. Mixing bowls are essential tools that every home cook should have in their kitchen. They serve as the foundation for combining ingredients, whisking sauces, and marinating meats. When choosing mixing bowls, opt for a set in different sizes to accommodate various recipes. Look for bowls made of durable materials such as stainless steel, glass, or high-quality plastic. Stainless steel bowls are lightweight, non-reactive, and great for mixing ingredients that require chilling. Glass bowls are heat-resistant, making them ideal for tasks like melting chocolate or whisking eggs over simmering water. High-quality plastic bowls are lightweight, easy to handle, and often come with lids, making them convenient for food storage. It's also beneficial to choose mixing bowls that are microwave and dishwasher safe for added convenience. Number 7. Whisk. A whisk is a versatile tool that every home cook should have in their kitchen. Whether you're mixing ingredients, incorporating air into batters, or emulsifying dressings and sauces, a whisk is your trusty companion. Look for a whisk with thin, flexible wires that can easily move through your ingredients, ensuring smooth and well-blended results. The wires should be sturdy enough to handle thicker mixtures, but also gentle enough to whisk delicate ingredients. Whisks come in various sizes, so consider having a few options to accommodate different tasks. They are also available in different materials such as stainless steel or silicone. Whisks with ergonomic handles offer a comfortable grip, allowing you to whisk for extended periods without straining your hand. Number 8. Measuring cups and spoons. Accurate measurements are the key to successful cooking, which is why every home cook needs a reliable set of measuring cups and spoons. These essential tools allow you to precisely measure ingredients, ensuring consistency in your recipes. Look for a set that includes both dry and liquid measurements, as they serve different purposes. Opt for measuring cups and spoons that are easy to read, with clear markings for accurate measurements. It's also beneficial to choose ones that are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. With measuring cups and spoons in your kitchen, you can confidently follow recipes and experiment with precision, achieving delicious results time and time again. Don't underestimate the importance of these humble tools. They truly make a significant difference in your culinary adventures. Number 9. Tongs. Tongs are a versatile tool that every home cook needs in their kitchen. Whether you're flipping food on the grill, tossing salads, or serving delicate items, tongs are your go-to utensil. They provide a firm and precise grip, allowing you to handle hot and slippery ingredients with ease. Look for tongs with a locking mechanism, as it makes them easy to store and save space in your kitchen. Additionally, choose tongs made of heat-resistant materials to ensure they can withstand high temperatures. With tongs in your culinary arsenal, you'll have the confidence to tackle any cooking task and keep your hands safe from burns. They're truly an essential tool for every home cook. Number 10. Microplane grater. Last but not least, we have the microplane grater, a handy tool for zesting citrus fruits, grating cheese, and adding a burst of flavor to your dishes. This small but mighty tool is a game changer in the kitchen. Look for a grater with sharp blades and a comfortable handle for effortless grating. And there you have it, the top 10 essential tools every home cook needs in their kitchen. By equipping your kitchen with these tools, you'll be well prepared to tackle any recipe that comes your way. Remember, having the right tools not only enhances your cooking experience but also enables you to unleash your culinary creativity. So, start building your kitchen arsenal and enjoy the wonderful journey of home cooking. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more culinary tips and recipes. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking!